One of the reasons that dialogue happens, one of the reasons that we treat each other equally is because of the respect that we also give each other. In the intercultural, generally, exchange in Pakistan, we tend to treat, maybe it's the societal or maybe it's the Indo-Pak subcontinent thing. We tend to treat women lesser than men, and we tend to treat as servants or as beyond go down. We tend to treat them at a certain level, which is something that is not equally seen. That also is seen for people who are at higher posts or people who are at lower posts. Now, if you see the same pattern in developing countries, okay, that does not happen at all. You walk into a cafe in America or in Europe or anywhere else in the world, you will treat the taxi driver the same way as you will treat the waiter, and the same way that you will treat the banker, and so on and so forth. So that perception of equality in Pakistan is slightly, not slightly, but to a larger part missing. And I think that part has a lot to do with education and your own perception and how you're brought up in your own environment. A good example would be, or a recommendation would be, that we should only have co-education schools in Pakistan. Because I think in Pakistan, as developing youths, you don't understand the value of a woman being as equal as you are when you're growing up, though a woman is seen as a novelty or as objectified, rather because you are just not used to that environment. An interesting example, when I came back from abroad and took admission at Greenwich, which was a college in DHA, the commonality factor that all of us students had was that we could all pay the fees, so we could all get in. And there are some of us who were foreign return students, and then some who were locally manufactured pieces. And I remember it took us maybe about 6 semesters for the rest of the students to become just normal with the women in the classrooms, because they were just not used to talking to a woman normally. And even that age, at the age of 24, 25. So it's a very interesting dynamics in terms of a dialogue between how you look at the opposite sex, or how you look at people around you generally. And this behavior, I feel, comes from the kind of society that we live in. The whole feudal approach and the whole mine is bigger than yours mentality. To be able to work together, to be able to move tomorrow into a new era as far as even in Pakistan is concerned, we must, as leaders or as youths for the next generation, must realize the importance of being on the same platform, the importance of equality, the importance of understanding body language, the importance of understanding what people want and what they desire and what they're looking for, and the importance of to be able to communicate with them to reach to a certain level where you can actually achieve equal dialogue.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.